Hey you guys, and welcome to Shopify e-commerce course. So in this course, you're gonna learn everything you need to know about building your store, from the product research, creating the policy pages, about us pages, putting products in the store, right away to create the homepage, product pages, doing the email marketing, pop-ups, cart checkout. We're gonna cover it all. So once you go through this course, you're gonna be able to find the winning products, put them on your store, and have a store put together that looks really nice, but also at the same time converts on a high level. The platform that we're gonna use for this, it's called Shopify, and Shopify is all-in-one e-commerce solution that allows you to pretty much create a store quite quickly and easily. Also, I've been doing it for like 4 or 5 years now and have tried some other platforms as well, but I just think Shopify is absolutely the best in this field. So yeah, we're gonna cover it all. In this course, what we're gonna focus on, it's called dropshipping. And if you're not familiar with it, dropshipping is basically a business model where we are selling products that we don't have, so pretty much reselling. So what we would do is that we would create our store, we would put product on our store for, let's just say, $30, but we can get it for like $10. As soon as somebody buys the product, we're gonna go to our supplier, pay them $10 to ship the product to customer address, and we're gonna keep the $20 profit. Of course, there are expenses like advertising fees and so on, but the whole idea is that we're never touching the product. And that's what we're gonna do on here. So I'm gonna walk you through every single step from the product research, store creation, images, copywriting. We're gonna take care of all that. Also, if you guys don't wanna go that route and you just, have some handmade products, or you have a physical store and would like to go online and sell your products that way as well, after watching this course, you're gonna have it all and it will be super, super simple and easy. So here's also an image I have prepared for you, how it works. So we start by advertising the product. As soon as somebody orders the product, okay, we are keeping the profit that we have between the price difference. We are paying the supplier and he ships the product to the customer's address. Of course, there are also some e-commerce brands that are just real brands that are not doing the drop shipping business model. Here I have prepared some of them so you can go through them and, just to get an idea what you can do with Shopify. So here we do have ColourPop. This is a really, really big brand that is based on Shopify. We also do have the Coco Lab, another big brand that is doing really, really high numbers, that also decided to go and choose Shopify. I didn't know about that, but also Kylie Cosmetics, they're based on Shopify as well. So you can just, get the idea what you can do with the platform. However, I also mentioned dropshipping, and for example, this is a one store that is doing multiple 7 figures, and they started as a dropshipping brand, so they didn't have any stock, there were no custom packaging, logos and stuff, but they just started slowly, got to the point where they're getting the orders in, and they have finally moved, white labeled the product, and have created a real brand. So this is what their store looks like. So yeah, here we are. That's what we're going with. So full A to Z course, right to the point, where we're gonna cover it all. So yeah, thank you guys for your time. In the next video, we're actually gonna start creating our Shopify account. So I'm gonna walk you through that and everything we need to do before we can actually go and start working on our store. So I'll see you guys in the next one.